After treating thousands of patients with chronic digestive issues, I've found that using stool testing to assess for microbial imbalances, whether it's bacterial overgrowth, yeast overgrowth, parasites, probiotic deficiencies, or more than one of the above, stool testing is very, very helpful in that regard. When it comes to stool testing, my strong preference is to use tests that use stool culture to assess for microbes as opposed to DNA testing in the stool. And the main reason is that DNA testing is able to detect the presence of the DNA of the microbes that are in the stool, but to my understanding, it's not able to actually quantify the amount of those microbes that are in the stool. The reports that we get from those labs certainly make it seem as if it's quantifiable, but having looked through the scientific literature, having talked to some of the companies that offer this testing and asked about their methodology, to my understanding, it really isn't a validated way of determining the quantity of microbes. The other big limitation is that that type of testing can't tell you whether it's testing for the DNA of living or dead microbes that are in that stool sample. So a report might come back saying there's tons and tons of salmonella or tons and tons of blastocystis hominis parasites, but we don't know whether that's from live or dead DNA, and it, again, really can't quantify in a reliable way.